What's up, my breathwork homies? Today's class is going to be about the Ujjayi breath, as it's called in Sanskrit. We also refer to it as the ocean breath because it makes it sound like ocean waves. And I also sometimes call it the baby's breath because if you're doing it right, no one around you should hear it and it will sound like a baby snoring. Now, this is also a very, very calming breath, so it's not advised for those of you that are suffering from depression because it might take you into an even lower state. But for those of you that are suffering from high levels of stress or anxiety or insomnia, this one can be very beneficial. The word Ujjayi in Sanskrit, I believe, means psychic, so it translates as the psychic breath. And the idea is that it will peel away layers of the psyche the more you do it. But I can attest that it's a very calming breath. And what's good about this one is it's secret. You can be doing it like anytime, anywhere. And most of the time, people won't even know you're doing it. So you're a little breathwork spy. So let's get started. Find your seat wherever you are. I'm going to stay in cross-legged position today. Place your hands on your legs or on your thighs and gently close your eyes and visualize your spine nice and straight from the bottom of your pelvis to the crown of your head. Feeling your sitting bones anchored into the ground beneath you. Feeling supported by the ground beneath you. Gravity pulling you down as the earth holds you up. And check that you're not clenching your legs or thighs. That your bone structure is supporting you, but your muscles are relaxed. Relax your arms, your shoulders, and your neck. Relax your face muscles, your jaw, the area around your eyebrows and your forehead. Just let it all melt into the being relaxation. Notice the lights in space as you stare at the back of your eyelids. You may notice that it's not all dark, that there are little flickers of light and dark and pixels as you just gaze into your visual field of your closed eyes. Notice how you're feeling in this moment. Notice what you brought with you to the mat today. And take a moment now and set the intention to drop all the things you carried here and leave them dropped for this session and resolve. Pick them up later if you need to, but for now, you don't need them. And as you drop the things from your day that you carried here, notice how you relax even more. You begin to connect with your breathing, following the breath in through the nostrils as it passes through the place just between your eyes on the inhale and continues on its journey into your abdomen and your chest. And follow the same process as you exhale through your system. Now I'd like you to visualize that there's a hole at the pit of your throat where your Adam's apple would be if you were a woman, if you were a man. The women, just imagine having an Adam's apple. And start to breathe in through this hole in your throat, keeping your mouth closed. You should feel a slight contraction of some muscles at the back of the throat. They're called the glottis. And exhale through this same hole in your throat. So you're breathing in and out of this hole. If you're doing it correctly, you should hear a sound similar to a gentle ocean wave, or like the snoring of a baby. We're now making the ocean breath. You may notice that it feels like your airflow is constricted compared to normal breathing. You can't take as much in, so it naturally forces you to take longer inhalations and exhalations. Feel this sense of elongation, this stretching of time and space. As if you're drawing out moments. As your breath gets longer and expands, allowing you to access more subtle sensations in the body. continue on with the ocean breath as you've been doing. But we're going to breathe now in the yogic breathing style. So keeping the ocean breath, begin by inhaling through the belly, through the chest, and through the neck. And in reverse order, neck, chest, and belly, allowing it to gradually deflate your lungs. Inhale, belly, chest, neck, exhale, neck, chest, and belly. Continue on, belly, chest, neck, exhale, neck, chest, and belly. In this circular breath, using the ocean breath. Yourself melting all of your subtle layers into this circular yogic breathing. Ensuring continuation of the breathing, so no pause after you finish inhaling or exhaling. Focus your awareness on the part of the breathing cycle where the turn happens, or where the inhale turns into the exhale, or the exhale turns into the inhale. Try to notice that precise moment when the breath turns. Lost in thought, simply come back to the ocean breathing, focus on the sound, and focus on the circular breathing. And bring your mind back to the turn. distracted by the thoughts, just come back. Start again. Whenever you start again, you're practicing meditation. Increasing awareness. Now relax the technique. Resume normal breathing, natural breathing. But continue to focus on the turn. This time, without controlling the breath, as we've been doing till now. Allowing your natural breath to take over. Maintain your awareness on the turning of the breath that happens spontaneously. Very good. Spend the last minute of the practice continuing to observe your breath. And noticing the quality of your awareness, of your mind, of your thoughts. Gently open your eyes. Take a big inhale together. Exhale. One more. Last one. Good. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you here for the next class. Have a great day.